Good morning, kindergarten friends. Today is day one of your second assignment for this first 9 weeks. We are going to be using shapes to create a cityscape. All right, remember, a cityscape is a picture of a city. So you would see things like buildings, people, cars, sidewalks, traffic lights, taxi cabs, things like that. All right, we're going to use the lines that we learned about with our last project to make our cityscapes. So for this assignment, if you looked at the material list, you need a piece of paper, a pencil, crayons or markers or colored pencils. Okay, I'm going to draw with a black crayon just so you can see what I'm doing, but you are going to draw with a pencil. That way, if you make a mistake, you can erase it. We're going to start off with the bottom of our paper. We're going to make a line that goes across the bottom. This is going to be for our road. So you're going to draw a straight line for your road. And then we're going to go in, and so that we know it's a road, we are going to make a dashed line. Now I'm going to show you how to make this a fancy dash line. We're going to start off with our dash line. And then we're going to turn our dash line into shapes because that's what we're learning about. So we have our dash line. We're going to turn our dash line into rectangles. So you can see that artists use lines, put them together to make shapes. So we have our dash line. And then you're going to go in and you're going to start adding the shape of your buildings. All right, so straight line, and you don't have to do yours exactly like mine. It would be actually better if you did yours a little different because artists are creative and try to use their imagination to do their own thing. So I have straight line, and a line across. What shape did I make? Another rectangle. So here's my first building. Now I want my buildings to be close together because in cities, buildings, there's a lot of them, and it's kind of crowded and populated. That means a lot of people. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some more rectangles. And notice I'm making them all different sizes to make my artwork look more interesting. It's okay if some of your buildings even hang off the side, like you can only see part of it. All right, so I have my buildings. Now, to get them a little more fancy, let's go in and add roofs. So I have a diagonal line, which is kind of like a straight line that's slanted. Diagonal line. What shape did I make? A triangle. Now, if you want to leave some of the roofs off some of your buildings, like it's a flat roof, that would be okay also. Okay, so you're just going to set all this up today, and you're not going to worry about doing your windows, your doors, or your details quite yet. This is this week's assignment. Next time the next video will be next week's assignment, day 2. All right, remember you're doing this with pencil so that if you make a mistake, you can erase it. Keep up the good work. Bye, friends.